Okay, so I actually forgot to talk about the power supply wires. So I have a power supply that is screwed in underneath here, but I ran the wires from the bottom for the graphics card, and so it's sticking out here, and it's connected to my graphics card, and it's a PCIe cable, and it is labeled on the power supply as well, where this other end of the wire should go. And then here you also see the big power supply cable. This is the largest, probably the largest thing on the motherboard that needs to be plugged in. Is it the largest, like, I don't know, plug hole? So I ran it through behind this thing here. And the other part of the wire that is from the power supply is here, and this goes to the CPU. It's labeled CPU, so it's CPU. Um, so we'll see this from the other side.